Hey, y'all want to go to the beach?
I don't know if we got time to go to the beach.
I got a better idea, guys. Look at this, guys.
I don't know. This don't look like the beach to me.
It's not gonna be no fun.
We can do all this stuff. Number one, we can build a sandcastle.
This is lame, Michael.
Number two, look for seashells. Yeah. All right. Yeah, look at that.
This is lame.
And number three, we can write our names in the sand. And number four, put your feet in water. And number five, we can catch fish.
Go.
This is lame. Beach, Saturday, 8 o'clock. Be there!